John, you've been on the go ever since you were born, and I imagine few people in the world today have travelled as much as you have. Now why?
Well, I don't know. I suppose some of us are cave dwellers. Some of us live in houses. Some of us like to be loose-footed. I'm a rambling man.
Yes, I have. All over. Africa, America, Australasia, everywhere.
Have you been in any dangerous earthquakes?
Why, yes.
Tell me something about quakes in general.
They're usually short, only about 30 seconds, and it's usually not the quakes that kill, but the effects. Tsunamis, buildings collapsing, fire, that sort of thing.